This is step 7 of the Stars and Stripes Libertyville March. We've just switched lines and we switched back and gotten to our original positions. Now we're going to march around in a circle. I guess you'd say it's clockwise. But we're not going to go all the way around back to our original position. We're going to end up going only halfway around. So, for instance, if you're on this end of the front line, you turn and you go to the other end of the back line. Okay, so it's hard for me to demonstrate all by myself, but we have 32 counts to get there, so there's plenty of time. What will happen is, we'll pose like this. The front row will turn to the right to go around this way. The back row will turn to the left to go around this way. Okay? So you're just going around in a circle, halfway around, not all the way. And so we end up flipped with the original back row in front and the original front row in back. Okay? So, and of course in class we work on this so that you can actually see where you're going. But say I'm in the front row, in the middle, I want to end up in the back row in the middle, okay? If you're in the back row in the middle, you'll end up in the front row in the middle. If you're on that end of the front row, you'll end up on that end of the back row. If you're on that end of the front row, you'll end up on that end of the back row. Now, this is just marching. 32 counts of marching, okay? So, say I'm in the front row, in the middle, I'm going to turn this way and march for 32 counts to get to where I'm going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So it's a very simple step. You just have to know where you're going. And the whole time will be like this. Now, if you get to your place before you finish the 32 counts, you just march in place. We don't have to cover a lot of ground, but it does depend on how many people there are. It may take you longer if we have a bigger group than it would if we have a smaller group. There's not much else to say except that.